everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Since the scenario has changed again, situations फिर से चेंज हुई हैं और अब हमें नहीं पता कि जून का जो CSIR है वो कब होगा. According to the notification, most probably जुलाई में होना है, but जो situation है उसके according जुलाई भी बहुत मुश्किल है. So let's use that time in a very useful way. जो आई थिंक जो मेजर मिस्टेक स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं हम उसी पे बेसिकली फोकस करेंगे. एंड दिस इज माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस जो मैंने खुद फेस किया. आई सीरियसली बिलीव अगर लॉकडाउन ना हुआ होता तो मेरा भी CSIR ना हो. सो आई विल सजेस्ट मेनी ऑफ यू टू यूज दिस टाइम वेरी वेरी यूजफुली. जो कॉमन मिस्टेक्स हम करते हैं, हम थ्योरी रट लेते हैं, थ्योरी कर रहे हैं, बट हमें नहीं पता होता कि उस थ्योरी को अप्लाई कैसे करना है. सो इसलिए जरूरी है कि हम PYQs और क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज्यादा करें. जब लास्ट मंथ होगा तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा करने चाहिए, लेकिन इस टाइम पे जब अभी आप प्रिपरेशन स्टेज में आप थ्योरी कर रहे हो तो आप 5 to 10 क्वेश्चंस डेली करो ताकि आप एक फ्लो में रहो क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने के. So with this, I am launching a PYQ series in which we will be doing 5 to 6 PYQs daily. Because PYQs करने के लिए I think most important चीज जो होती है वो होती है explanation. आप कर रहे हो, आपका आंसर गलत है, आपको नहीं पता क्यों गलत है, इसलिए जरूरी है कि हम PYQs को इस तरह से करें कि हमें पता हो अगर हमारा आंसर इनकरेक्ट है तो वो क्यों है, ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम हम सेम मिस्टेक ना करें. So today is the part 1. This is the part 1 video and we will be doing 5 of the PYQs. And the PYQs are mixed. No specific topic or subject has been taken up. Slowly we will be going to specific things, specific topics and specific subjects. So let's start with the first PYQ. This is the frequency of homozygotes in a diploid population is 0.68. Assuming that the population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, the frequencies of the two alleles are. That is, we are being given the frequency of homozygotes. Let's take it as p square. So we are given p square is equal to 0.66. So what we have to find? We need to find the frequencies of two alleles. That is, we have to find the frequency of allele. Let's capital A. That is P and Q. We need to find the value of P. So since we are given the value of P square, we can easily find the value of P. That will be root 0.68. Since we know by Harding-Weinberg root 0.68 comes out to be 0.8. Since we know by Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium P plus Q equals to 1. So P is 0.8 plus Q equals to 1. This comes Q is equals to 1 minus 0.8. That amounts to 0.2. So we had to find only two values P and Q, which we have done. That amounts to 0.2 and 0.2. That is option number 2. This topic Hardy-Weinberg is very important. I will majorly try to cover the most important topics. And this topic Hardy-Weinberg is not only very important but very easy. So I suggest please do this topic. If you have done it, well and good. If you have not done it, do it. It will hardly take your 10 to 15 minutes to understand and you can easily attempt it. And this question is of November 2019, recent. So let's move to next question, that is an interaction where the actor and recipient both suffer a cost is known as altruism, cooperation, mutualism and strike. Most important topic. Do it. Either B part or C part. You will definitely get a question from this topic. Behavior. Animal behavior. You will definitely get a question from this. Do it. So first is altruism. In altruism, what we see in altruism, that an organism keeps itself at a cost and protects other organisms. So in this, others are benefited while one is at loss. And cooperation is also mutual behavior, so both are benefited. In mutualism, we know both are benefited, but in spite, both are affected. That means both suffer a cost, both are negatively affected. So the answer is spite, 4. complete this topic, please, please, please. Very important. Animal behavior is very important topic and very easy also. If you just know that what are the conditions in which they are working, you will definitely get your answer. And this is also from November 2019. Next question is, two strains of mice which are genetically identical. Read the question very carefully. Genetically identical, except for a single gene, except for a single gene locus or a region. That means they are genetically identical, but they have differences in their single gene. So what are syn gene? Syn means synchronous. That means all genes are identical. They are genetically identical. Allo means alleles. So these differ from alleles. That means they have different alleles of the same gene. Genes present are same, but the alleles of the genes are different. Congenic. Hetero means different. That means they have different genes. What I have learned from this while preparing from CSIR, there are a lot of questions if you don't have exact knowledge. For example, if I see this question, I will be not knowing what is this congenic. But if I know what is syn, if I know some terms also, then I can understand the meanings. For example, if I know what is the meaning of syn, I can understand what does syngenic means, allogenic means, heterogenic means. So you can attempt such questions also. Be very careful while attempting the questions. Be very, very careful. So the correct answer is congenic. This is also from November 2019. I will suggest for section B, you should be very clear with the terms. What does the meaning of different terms mean? You will definitely get questions from this part. 7 to 10 questions will be like this only, where you need to identify the terms. So be very clear with the words and try to find out the meaning from the words itself. You can't read thousands of definitions, but you can at least understand few words so that you can make out the meanings from those words. So let's proceed to next. Okay, very important topic, growth phase. Very, very important. Growth patterns are very important. During an exponential phase of growth, if n0, nt and n define the initial population, number population at time nt represents the population at time t, then the number of generation in time t, then we need to give, basically what it is asking the equation of exponential. It is basically asking the equation of exponential growth. Be very clear with the graphs and equations of the growth. Very clear. So basically equation of the exponential growth is nt is equals to n0 into 2 to the power n. See, nt, it is 2 to the power n. Be very careful. This is nt into n0 into 10 into n. So this is incorrect. n0 incorrect because here we have nt. nt upon n0. So if I do this, nt upon n0 is equals to 2. So this is the correct answer. n0 upon nt incorrect. You can't get n0 upon nt. So the correct answer is 3. Be very careful with this topic. I will be covering this topic on my YouTube channel also in some time. So next, this is also from November 2019. Okay, ecology question. Ecology is a very, very important and it hardly takes 10 to 15 days to prepare yourself. So I suggest, if you have not done ecology till now, try to do it. Do it and it will be very beneficial for you. So now let's see what the question is. In a lake, reducing the population of fish which feeds on plankton was followed by decline in the rate of primary productivity. Okay. तो जब हमने फिश की पॉपुलेशन को कम किया तो क्या हुआ, प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी कम होगी. दिस इज कंसिस्टेंट विच टाइप ऑफ हाइपोथेसिस रिगार्डिंग द रेगुलेशन ऑफ प्लांट. सो बेसिकली लेट्स सी द कॉन्सेप्ट. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रेगुलेशंस. फर्स्ट इज टॉप डाउन and the second one is bottom. Now listen to me very carefully. So what is the food chain in the ocean, or we can say water bodies? We have phytoplanktons. These are the first tropic level. Then we have zooplanktons. Then we have fishes, and then we have big fishes. So what it is, phytoplanktons are eaten up by zooplanktons by fishes, and ultimately fishes by big fishes. So what is this type of regulation is? Top down means, top down क्या है? आप ऊपर से नीचे आ रहे हो. That means you are doing a change in the upper tropic levels and the effect is seen in the lower tropic level. For example, टॉप डाउन मीन्स कि आप ऊपर वाले लेवल्स में चेंज कर रहे हो और सी जो इफेक्ट है आपको वो नीचे लेवल में देगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, आपने बिग फिशेस की जो पॉपुलेशन थी उसको कम कर दिया, तो उससे क्या होगा? पॉपुलेशन रिड्यूस हो गई. नाउ बिग फिशेस जो हैं अल्टीमेटली फीड नहीं करेंगे फिशेस पे. दैट मीन्स फिशेस की पॉपुलेशन क्या हो जाएगी? इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. अगर फिशेस की पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हो गई, दैट विल फीड मोर ऑन zooplankton. एज अ रिजल्ट zooplankton की क्या होगा? पॉपुलेशन कम हो जाएगी. एंड जू पॉपुलेशन की अगर पॉपुलेशन कम हुई तो फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स की पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. सो ये क्या हुआ? हमने चेंज किया टॉपिक्स लेवल्स पे और इफेक्ट हमें लोअर में मिला. नाउ वी हैव बॉटम अप. दैट मीन्स आप नीचे वाले को चेंज करोगे और इफेक्ट आपको ऊपर दिखेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हमने क्या किया, हमारा जो ओशन था उसमें हमने कुछ एलियन स्पीशीज ले आए. तो एलियन स्पीशीज की ग्रोथ की वजह से क्या हुआ? फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स की डिक्रीज हो गई. फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स को न्यूट्रिशन कम मिला, एज अ रिजल्ट उनकी पॉपुलेशन डिक्रीज हो गई. अगर फाइटोप्लैंक्टन डिक्रीज होंगे तो जूप्लैंक्टन्स भी डिक्रीज होंगे क्योंकि खाना नहीं मिलेगा. अल्टीमेटली फिशेस डिक्रीज होंगी, अल्टीमेटली बिग फिशेस डिक्रीज होंगी. तो इसमें क्या था? इसमें था जिगजैग पैटर्न. एक इंक्रीज, एक टॉप डाउन में क्या हो रहा था? जिगजैग पैटर्न था. एक इंक्रीज, एक डिक्रीज, एक इंक्रीज, एक. बट इसमें क्या है? जो लोअर लेवल पे इफेक्ट है वही पूरे टॉपिक लेवल्स पे दिख रहा है. तो हमने इसमें अब हमारे क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग क्या है? इन अ लेक रिड्यूसिंग द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ फिश विच फीड्स ऑन प्लैंक्टन्स. तो हमने इसको चेंज किया है, जिसकी वजह से क्या हुआ? फॉलोड बाय अ डिक्लाइन इन द रेट ऑफ प्राइमरी. दैट मींस फाइटोप्लैंक्टन की प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी भी डिक्रीज होगी. दिस इज कंसिस्टेंट विद विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हाइपोथेसिस रिगार्डिंग द रेगुलेशन ऑफ प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी. तो कौन सा हाइपोथेसिस हमने कहाँ चेंज किया? हमने टॉप में चेंज किया. तो इफेक्ट कहाँ दिख रहा है हमें? लोअर लेवल्स पे. तो दिस इज टॉप डाउन कंट्रोल. This is important and a very easy topic. You will definitely get a question in section C. So all the questions I have discussed belong to very, very important topics. If you have done them, well and good. If you have not done them, these are just small topics. They don't hardly take 10 to 15 minutes to complete. If you have not done them, do them and start. Still, I will say we are having time. Prepare well. Everything is possible. You just need to focus on yourself. So, I will be back with the next PYQs in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day. And please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.